If you're watching this, you might have run into the standard hardware security not supported issue in Windows 11. This problem can prevent you from enabling certain security features and might even impact your ability to use Windows 11 to its full potential. In today's video, we'll walk through the steps to diagnose and fix this issue. So let's get started. First, let's understand what this issue means. Windows 11 has specific hardware security requirements, including TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot. If your system doesn't meet these requirements, you might see the standard hardware security not supported message. Before we dive into troubleshooting, let's check if your system meets the basic requirements for Windows 11. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Here type in MSINFO32 and press enter. In the System Information window, look for TPM Manufacturer ID and TPM version. If you see no detected or no TPM, your system may not support TPM. Under System Summary, look for Secure Boot State. It should say on. If it's off, Secure Boot is not enabled. Sometimes updating your BIOS or UEFI firmware can resolve hardware compatibility issues. Restart your computer and enter BIOS UEFI settings by pressing the appropriate key. Check the manufacturer's website for your motherboard or laptop for the latest updates. Follow the instructions to download and install the update. Save any changes you made and exit BIOS UEFI. Your computer will restart. If TPM is enabled but still not detected, you might need to install or update TPM drivers. Open Device Manager. To do that, right-click on the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Security Devices. Click on Trusted Platform Module and choose Update Driver. After installation, restart your computer. But if you're still having trouble, it might be time to contact your hardware manufacturer for support. Go to the support page of your computer or motherboard manufacturer. Look for guidance on hardware compatibility and contact the support team if needed. And that's it for today's guide on fixing the standard hardware security not supported issue in Windows 11.